Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong video posted by Pinoy Trending. Sabi dito, Soto hiniling na huwag i-cite in contempt ang mga miyembro ng NBI na sinubukang huliin si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Diba, sabi niya, wala daw siyang alam doon sa presensya ng mga NBI na mag-aresto kay wala daw siyang alam. O ano ngayon? Bakit hiniling niya na huwag i-cite in contempt? Ito, pakinggan natin siya.
And one of us or I who have voted in favor based on our tradition would like a reconsideration, a motion for reconsideration of the motion to contempt.
To contempt.
Not because it is, again, like what Senator Lacson mentioned, it's not about, it does not have anything to do with the people of the NBI or us or Senator Bato. It's only based on rules.
Yes.
Why? So, can we move for a reconsideration, Mr. President, so I can explain why?
That is your right, Minority Leader.
All right, thank you,
So
sir.
anyone who on record voted for any motion has the right during the next day, and actually we're in the same session day, within 2 session days, and technically we're in the same session day. So it is your right to move for reconsideration. Then the Majority Leader will either adhere or will object.
All right, correct. Thank you, Mr. President. Now, here's the point.
Ha.
Based on our rules, the rules of the Senate, and it is consistent with the fact of the contempt of power of the Senate is limited only during inquiries in aid of legislation. This is what the Committee on Rules will have to tackle in that particular motion to sign in contempt anyone from the session hall. The impeachment court is empowered too, but not the Senate. I cannot find it in the rules. No, Section 18 of the Senate Resolution number 5, the rules of procedure governing inquiries and in aid of legislation, provides that a chairman, with the concurrence of at least one member of the committee, may punish or cite in contempt any witness before a committee who disobeys any order of the committee or refuses to be sworn or testify or for falsely or evasively testifying. Further, as emphasized in this Senate Resolution
Sandali,
145,
gumagawa ko ng vlog.
the power
Sandali.
of contempt is inherent to the enforcement of the right to conduct inquiries in aid of legislation. So, in fact, Senate Resolution 237, such power of contempt was delegated to the subcommittees as they comprise the same membership as the main committee and should have the committee's full powers, including the power to cite and punish witnesses in contempt. All right. Now, the other instance that we are allowed to the power of contempt is during impeachment proceedings constituted as an impeachment court, not as a Senate, only in committee hearings in aid of legislation. So, the only instance that contempt is mentioned in our rules is the duty of the Sergeant at Arms to enforce a citation in contempt issued by any committee of the Senate and to detain and place under custody witnesses, etc., etc. And the jurisprudence mentioned by Senator Lacson by the Supreme Court in Uy Ong versus the Senate of the Philippines, the Supreme Court discussed that concomitant to the power of legislature to conduct inquiries in aid of legislation is its power of contempt impliedly provided under the 1987 Constitution. So that is my point, Mr. President. So I think we should not approve the motion to contempt right away without consulting the Committee on Rules to find out whether this is correct or not. That we can only cite in contempt, the Senate can cite in contempt when we are in aid of legislation and we are in a committee.
Ang akin ngayon.
And one of us.
Yan. So maliwanag ha. Hinihiling niya kasi kahapon na desisyonan na na i-cite in contempt yung NBI agents. So ngayon, sa plenary sa Senado is nag-motion for reconsideration siya na huwag i-cite in contempt. Ang rason niya is wala daw sa rules. So, hintayin natin. Ang sabi ng Senate President is depende na sa noted na nila yung pag-motion for reconsideration, but it is up to the majority floor leader. Pwede niyang pagbigyan o pwede niyang i-deny. So kung pagbigyan, yung motion for reconsideration, bubutuhan yan ngayon sa Senado. Again, majority rules. So ano sa tingin nyo? Pagbigyan, tatanggapin yung motion for reconsideration and then boboto. Papayag ba yung 13 senators, majority, na huwag i-cite in contempt yung NBI agents? Palagay ko hindi. Kasi kanina may nabasa akong post ni ex-Supreme Court Justice Noel Tiham. It is an unlawful arrest. Ano ba yung sabi niya? Dapat itong mga agents na ito mag-undergo ng refresher course on constitutional law. They are now in hot waters. Dating maestrado ng Korte Suprema nagsasabi na maling-mali ang ginawa ng NBI agents. Tapos ngayon ito, isang komedyante na naging senador, sinasabi na huwag i-cite in contempt dahil wala sa ating rules. Sige, bahala na po kayo mga senators sa majority block. Ako, magiging malungkot ako kung maaprubahan ang motion for reconsideration ni Senator Soto na huwag i-cite in contempt. Kasi kung nagawa nila yan sa isang sitting senator, how much more sa isang ordinaryong mamamayan? Ano? Wala na ba tayong karapatan? Yan nasa loob ng Senado tapos papasok ka dyan. Tapos arestuhin mo ang isang senador? No way. So, these are developments na antabayan na natin. Sana naman, huwag papayag yung majority na bawiin yung cite in contempt order nila sa NBI agents. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel nito. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Na anak ko diri sa balay sa Tabangan ng Mugero. So muna ni ang itsura sa iyang balay. Kawayan lang o nagliki na gani. So gaulan na nagyud ni ugmulan kay gabok naman. So nagpatindog siya og iyang bag-ong balay. Kay gaulan na naman gud ni ang iyang gipuy-an, sumo ni iyang gipuy-an. So atong tan-awon ang bag-o niyang balay. So mao na ni ang yero nga among gihatag. Kaya ilang iatop karon sa ilang bag-ong balay. So mao na ni ang pag-aatopan nga ilang gipatindog nga ilang balay. O karon humanagid sa pag-atop. So naatupan nagyod ang ilang bag-ong balay.
Pasalamat ko sa Ginoo ug sa aning naghatag aning sin ug sa kadugay sa panahon sad nga guba na akong atop nga kawayan ra nailis na ginako ang akong bag-o karon nga balay ug sin na gid ang iyang atop. Salamat kaayo.
So pila na ni ka tuig ang imong atop nga kawayan lang?
Tulo na siya ka tuig.
Tulo na ka tuig.
Dako kayo pasalamat karon nga niabot ning sin nga gihatag sa amo. Mabag-o na gid akong balay karon.
So pila ni kabulan ang imong ipatindog nga bagong balay? Pila na ni kabulan nga wala nimo natupan?
Kuha na ni mag-upat na ni karong pizza 5 sa Mayo.
So upat ka bulan. Ngano man sa mag-upat na hapit ka bulan, wala ka nakaatop.
Tungod sa mo lagi ning nainadlawan igo ra pud sa pagkaon.
Mm.
Hindi na mamajitan ang para sa pang-atop.
So lisod gyud.
Lisod kayo kayong panginabuhi karon.
So salamat kayo.
Dako kay kong pasalamat